He had a lot of nice tools, and I'm sure I've mentioned that he had to go in a nursing home, and he wanted me to have a lot of his tools. Some of them I've sold to just give his son some money, so if Mark needs anything, because once you're in there, you don't get much of your money. They pretty much take all of his Social Security. But he wanted me to have a lot of his tools, and that little palm nailer, pretty slick. Okay, let me show you what I've been working on. It's huge. It's a firewood shed, kinda. It's gonna go just outside our back door. So far, this is all the cedar that I got off the property where the people were clearing the lines under the utility towers and high voltage lines. So putting all that to use, and should be really handy when I get it done and in place. What? What do you want? Okay, let's take a look at the progress I've made on my little wood shed. Got the roof on it. Did the sawmilling for that. I have put a cross brace here from the back to the front just to help it be more rigid. Pretty much the same thing I did with this, but on this side, I'll run this one the opposite direction, and that'll just make it a little more stout and keep the firewood inside too. I'm going to be putting some planks on the side. I haven't decided if I'm going to put one, leave a little space, put one, or if I'm going to overlap like I did the roofing. I got to get another piece of cedar out here on the sawmill and get it cut up for the sides. Well, it's nice that the sun broke through. I'm going to show you a little thing I did to my truck. Actually the golf course truck, but my company truck. Okay, let me turn this camera around and show you I had to put a new tailgate on it. The other one that I had, I dropped a log on it at work. And this is from an older truck. And everything measured the same, but a lot of the hardware was different. Mounting was different for the latch. So all I did was put a slide bolt on it here, as well as over here. And that'll do what I need it to do. That was better than paying $300 for a used tailgate. Okay, here's my other piece of cedar. It's a little bit of a short one, but I should get quite a few boards out of it. Well, it's been a long day. I've been up since 1:30 this morning. I've always dealt with sleep issues. Went to work, got my stuff done there. We had a small staff outing at the golf course, played golf with the owners. And I came home to try and get the little wood shed finished up, and it's pretty much ready to go to the house. Still have some more water sealer to put on it, only because I got some partial cans around that I just want to use up and get out of my shop to help with my shop organization. So let me turn this around and show you the finished product. That really looks awful red in the picture. It's not quite that bright looking, but it's 6 feet long, 58 inches in the front, 63 inches in the back, 20 inches deep. And so this will be our new spot to load up on firewood, so we don't have to make as many trips up here to the barn to load up over there. Maybe we'll get the kids and grandkids over to help us maybe move some firewood this weekend. This is the first time that I can think of that we didn't have a fire or turn the furnace on in October. Weather's been pretty good, but it's showing towards the latter part of this week. Gonna have some nights down in the 20s. So anyhow, that's it for this project, and I'm still working on simplifying inside. Things are getting better, but still a lot to do. So thanks for watching this and hanging out with me. I could give you the dimensions again, or if you need them, I'll be glad to give them to you. It's pretty simple. Anyhow, have a good day. I'm heading to the house. See you next time.